Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn MCQ based on digital business management, second module, which is e-commerce. Question number 1: which of the following describe e-commerce? Doing business electronically, doing business, sale of goods, all of the above. So correct answer is option A, doing business electronically. Question number 2: which one of the following is not one of the major type of e-commerce? C2B, B2C, B2B and C2C. So the correct option is option A, which is customer to business. So question number 3: World Wide Web WWW was introduced in the year 1994, 1996, 1992, 1990. So correct answer is 1994. Question number 4: Dash is an early form of e-commerce. SCM, EDI, both of these, or none of these. So correct answer is option B, which is EDI. Question number 5: Dash is concerned with the buying and selling of information, product and service over the computer communication network. Commerce, e-commerce, e-business, none of these. So answer is e-commerce. Next is Dash is a set of standard developed in the 1960 to exchange business information and to do electronic transaction. EDI, protocol, TCP/IP, none of these. So correct answer is option A, which is EDI. Next is question number 7: which of the following product is suitable for e-commerce? Books, vegetables, none, all of these, none of these. So correct answer is option A, which is book. Dash allows a business application on the computer of one organization to communicate directly with the business application on the computer of another company. EDI, protocol, standard business application. So correct option is EDI, which is option A. Next is electronic exchange of business document in a standard format is known as e-commerce, e-business, EDI, none of these. So correct answer is option C, which is EDI. Question number 10: Dash is the essential a business process that connect manufacturer, retailers, customer and supplier in the form of a chain to develop and deliver product. E-commerce, EDI, networking, SCM. So correct option is D, which is SCM. Next is question number 11: which of the following is not a party of SCM? Suppliers, manufacturers, distributor, customers. So correct answer is option C, which is distributors. Dash is any transaction involving the transfer or right to use goods and service which is initiated and or completed by using mobile access to computer mediated network with the help of an electronic device. Mobile commerce, e-commerce, both of these, none of these. So correct answer is option A, which is mobile commerce. Question number 13: Dash is the e-commerce may be a holder of a payment card such as credit card or debit card from an issuer, customer, issuer, merchant, acquirer. So correct answer is option A, which is customer. Question number 14: among the alternate model of B2B e-commerce, Dash is the best mean to obtain a competitive advantage in the marketplace. Process based, strategy, relationship based, transaction based, any of these. So correct answer is option B, which is strategic relationship based. Question number 15: Dash is basically a concept of online marketing of and distributing a product and service over the internet. B2G, B2E, B2C, B2B. So correct answer is option C, which is B2C. Question number 16: Dash is a e-commerce consists of a sale of product or service from the business to a general public. B2G, B2E, B2C, B2C. So correct answer is option D, which is B2C. Which of the following is not suitable for B2C transition? Clothes, flowers, airline reservation, none. So correct answer is option D, which is none. Dash e-commerce transition has the advantage of eliminating middleman. B2G, B2C, B2B, yeah, B2E. So correct answer is option B, which is B2C. Question number 19. Dash e-commerce involves the electronic facilitation of the transition between customer through some third party. C2C, B2E, B2B, B2G. So correct answer is option A, which is customer to customer. Which among the following is an example of customer to customer? eBay, Amazon.com, Rentalic.com, all of these. So correct answer is all of these, which is option D. Companies use Dash network to automate employee related corporate process. B2G, B2E, B2B, P2P. So correct answer is option B, which is B2E. Business to employ. Which among the following is not a business to employ application? Online insurance policy management, online supply request, supply special employee offer, locate application, and tax form. So correct answer is option D, which is locate application tax form. So now next question is question number 3. Dash streamline the flow of information and self-service capabilities through automation. SCC, CRM, CRP. Correct answer is SCC, which is option A. Question number 24. Dash is a global web in which millions of users are communicating with each other with the help of computer, internet, www, both of these, none of these. None of this. So correct answer is internet. Next is question number 25. Dash is an application layer protocol for distributed collaborative hypermedia information system. HTML, HTTP, both of these, none of these. So correct answer is option A, which is HTML. Question number 26. English psychiatrist Tim Berners-Lee was famous for the establishment of Dash in 1990. Internet, www, intranet, and none of these. So correct answer is option B, which is www. Question number 27. A company that manufactures bicycle may use the internet to purchase tires from the supplier. This is an example of Dash transaction. B2G, B2E, B2B, P2P. So correct answer is option C, which is business to business. Question number 28. Dash site act as an intermediary between someone wanting a product or service and potential provider. Broking site, information site, industry protocol, none of these. So correct answer is option A, which is brokering site. URL stands for Uniform Resource Locator, Universal Resource Locator, Universal Random Locator, Uniform Random Locator. So correct answer is option A, which is Uniform Resource Locator. SET protocol on internet stand for Secure Electric Transaction, Secure Internet Transaction, Secure Established Transaction, yeah, Secure Electronic Transaction. So correct answer is option A, which is Secure Electric Transaction. Question number 31. Which of the following is an industry strategy factor that relate to whether new entrants face a disadvantage when attempting to enter an industry? Barrier to entry, power of suppliers, power of consumer, industry value chain. So correct answer is option A, which is barrier to entry. Next is company that have a network of physical stores as their primary retail channel but also have introduced online offering are called virtual merchant, bricks and clicks, catalog merchant, manufactured direct. So correct answer is option B, which is brick and clicks. Products are made to the prior to order receive based on the estimate demand under a Dash. supply push model, demand push model, supply pull model, demand pull model. So correct answer is option A, which is supply pull model. Question number 34. The major impact of internet real estate site is in dash completing property transaction online, influencing online decision, reducing commission, email marketing to consumer. So correct answer is option B, which is influencing online decision. Which of the following is the largest online travel service? Travelocity, Orbitz, Priceline, Expedia. So correct answer is Expedia. Which of the following is not one of the top 3 online career service provider? Career Builder, Monster, Hot Jobs, USA Job. So correct answer is option D, which is USA Job. Now question number 37. The largest segment in the requirement business is dash general job requirement, executive search, specialized job placement service, managerial requirement. So correct answer is option A, which is general job requirement. The top US online video site is dash MySpace, YouTube, AOL, Google Video. So correct answer is option B, which is YouTube. Which of the following is an advantage of ebook? Reduced transition cost for the user, requirement of expensive device to use, probability compared to print books, copyright management. So correct answer is option A, which reduced transition costs for the user. Social media sites primarily earn their revenue through advertising, subscription, donation, service fee. So correct answer is option A, which is advertising. Auction site like eBay tends to use dash pricing, dynamic, fixed, trigger, या utilization. So correct answer is option A, which is dynamic. The marketplace for an auction site is best described as many sites attaining similar level of probability, easy to enter due to minimal barrier, populated mostly with small thriving specialty sites, dominated by a handful of sites with established network. So correct answer is option D, which is dominated by a handful site with established network. Question number 43. The most popular type of auction on eBay is the Dutch internet auction, name your own price auction, English auction, professional service auction. So correct answer is option C, which is English auction. Which of the following best describe predicted growth in C2C and B2C auction spending? B2C spending will overtake C2C spending. Both types of spending will increase. C2C spending will decrease while B2C will increase. Both types of spending will decline at similar rates. So correct answer is option B, which is both types of spending will increase. A security plan begins with a N is dash security policy, risk assessment, implementation plan, security organization. So correct answer is option B, which is risk assessment. The most prevalent online payment method is PayPal, checks, credit cards, debit. So correct answer is option C, credit card. After sending email, which of the following activities is most common among internet users? Sending instant message, reading someone else's blog, using a search engine to find information, getting news. So correct answer is option C, using a search engine to find the information. Next question is question number 48. Dash influence the behavior of other through their personality, skills, or other factors. Opinion leader, direct reference group, indirect reference group, lifestyle group. So correct answer is option A, which is opinion leader. Next is question number 49. All of the following are reason more people don't shop online except lack of trust in online merchant, lack of convenience, inability to touch and feel the product, fear of misuse of personal information. So correct option is B, lack of convenience. Next is e-business can be defined as the uninhibited flow of information and goods on the web. The use of internet and the web of transition business, digital enable transition and process within an organization, commercial transition involving electronic goods. So correct answer is option C, the digital enable transition process within an organization. The fastest growing form of online advertising is banner ad, pop-up ad, rich media या video ads, pop under ads. So correct answer is option C, which is rich media and video ads. Question number 52. All of the following are the types of social marketing except affiliate marketing, blog advertising, social network advertising, game advertising. So correct answer is option A, which is affiliate marketing. Option A is the correct answer. Question number 53. All of the following are metrics of email campaign except open rate, delivery rate, bounce back rate, cart conversion rate. So correct answer is option D, which is cart conversion rate. Number 54. As consumer become more accustomed to new online advertising format, click through rates tend to remain constant, decrease, increase, rapidly increase. So correct answer is option B, decrease. Question number 55. The dimension of e-commerce that enable commerce across national boundaries is called dash: interactivity, global reach, richness, ubiquity. Question number 50. So correct answer is option B, which is global reach. E-commerce technology have improved upon traditional commerce technology in dash: richness, reach, both richness and reach, neither richness nor reach. So correct answer is option C, which is both richness and reach. Which one of the following is not one of the major type of e-commerce? C2B, B2C, B2B, C2C. So correct answer is option A, which is C2B. Compared to B2C e-commerce, B2B e-commerce is of equal size, slightly smaller, slightly larger, much larger. So correct option is option D, which is much larger. Which of the following is not considered to be one of the three phases of e-commerce? Innovation, consolidation, preservation, reinvention. So correct answer is option C. So correct answer is option C, which is preservation. The idealistic market envisaged at the outset of the development of e-commerce is called as Bailey market, Baxter market, Bergman market, Bertrand trend market. So correct answer is option D, which is Bertrand market. 61. The primary source of financing during the early years of e-commerce was bank loan, large retail firms, venture capital fund, initial public offering. So correct answer is venture capital fund. The type of firms that benefited the most during the consideration period of e-commerce were large traditional firms, first mover, pure online companies, ISPs. So correct answer is option A, large traditional firms. A dash is the set of planned activities designed to result in profit in the marketplace. Business model, profit model, business plan, revenue model. So correct answer is option A, which is business model. Which of the following is not a key element of a business model? Value proposition, competitive advantage, market strategy, universal standard. So correct answer is option D, which is universal standard. The source of revenue in a subscription revenue model is fee from advertiser in exchange for advertisement, fees for business referral, fees from subscriber in exchange from access to content or service, fee for enabling or execution a transaction. So correct answer is option C. Question number 66. Which of the following is an example of prototype? Amazon, eBay, Yahoo, Facebook. Correct answer is Yahoo. Number 67. All of the following are the major B2C business model except content provider, industry consortium, transition broker, service provider. So correct answer is option B, industrial consortium. The DaaS business model involve an independently owned vertical digital marketplace for direct input, e-distributor, exchange, e-procurement, private industrial work. So correct answer is option B, which is exchange. Compared to internet user, the number of cell phone subscriber is about the same, slightly fewer, much larger. So correct answer is option D, which is much larger. Industrial structure is defined as the nature of the player in an industry and their relative bargaining power, a set of plan for achieving long-term return on the capital investment in a business firm, set of plan activities designed to result in a profit in a marketplace, how a company product or service fulfill the needs of customer. So correct answer is option A. Option A is the correct answer. The area of the actual of potential commercial value in which the company intend to operate is a market space, marketplace, perfect market, trend market. So correct answer is option A, which is market space. Next is which of the following is not a horizontal protocol? AOL, Yahoo, Silent, MSN या Windows. Correct answer is option C, which is Cellnet. Next is a perfect market is one in which one firms develop an advantage based on a factor of production that other firms cannot purchase. One participant in the market has more resource than others. There are no competitive advantage or asymmetric because of all firms have equal access of all the factor production. Competition is at the minimum as each niche market within an industry is served by the company with the greatest competitive advantage. So correct answer is option C. Next is a strategy designed to compete in all market around the globe is called a DaaS strategy. Scope, differentiation, cost, focus. So correct answer is A, option A, which is scope. Which protocol permits user to transfer files from the server to their client computer and vice versa? HTTP, SMTP, IMAP and FTP. So correct answer is FTP, option D, which is FTP. Broadband is generally considered to be any communication technology allowing streaming audio and video at or above 100 kbps, 56.6 kbps, 30 kbps, 10 kbps. So correct answer is option A, which is 100 kbps. Internet user account for about dash of the world population, 7%, 17%, 27%, 47%. So correct answer is 17%. Which of the following was the first commercial web browser? Mozilla, Netscape, Navigator, Internet Explorer. So correct answer is option C, Netscape Navigator. A dash describe the flow of the information at your e-commerce site at the infrastructure that will be used in the system design, logical design, tactical design, physical design. So correct answer is option B, logical design. The largest component of a website budget is system maintenance, system development, content design and development, telecommunication. So correct answer is option A, which is system maintenance. Next question is question number 81. The dominant web server software is Zeus, Apache, Microsoft, IIS, Google. So correct answer is ऐप पेज. E-commerce merchant server software include all the following except online email, online catalog, online shopping cart, online credit card processing. So correct answer is option A, which is online email. Which of the following is not widely used mid-range or high-end e-commerce suite? Microsoft Commerce Server, WebTrend, Marketing Lab 2, IBM, WebSphere, Commerce, Broad Vision Commerce. So correct answer is option A, Microsoft Commerce Server. The ability to change the product to better fit the needs of the customer is called customization, personalization, privacy, accessibility. So correct answer is customization, which is option A. The most common type of internet crime according to the IC3 is credit card fraud, check fraud, non-delivery, auction fraud. So that correct answer is auction fraud. Which of the following is not a dimension of e-commerce? Security provided by encryption, availability, message encryption, non-reductive confidentiality. So correct answer is option A, availability. The most widely used encryption standard is AES, DES, UES and OES. So correct answer is option A, which is advanced encryption system. Advanced encryption system. The most common form of securing channel is through HTTP, VPN, SSL, PPTP. So correct answer is option C, SSL. Question number 18. And the two main types of internet based B2B commerce are net marketplace and private industrial network, EDI and collaborative commerce, net marketplace and collaborative commerce, EDI and private industrial network. So correct answer is option D. Question number 19. The type of net marketplace characterized by indirect input and spot purchasing is called an industry construction, independent exchange, e-distributor, e-procurement marketplace. So correct answer is option C, which is e-distributor. The most common and easily understood type of net marketplace is dash, e-procurement marketplace, e-distributor, industry consortia, independent exchange. So correct answer is option B, which is e-distributor. Dash is the encompassing term that involve the use of electronic platform, internet extract and the internet to conduct a company's business, e-marketing, e-business, e-procurement, e-commerce. So correct answer is option B, which is e-business. The e-commerce domain that involve business activity initiative by the consumer and targeted to business is known as B2B, C2C, C2B and B2B. So correct answer is option C, which is C2B. A dash is a B2B trading network that links a particular seller with its own trading partner. Bitstream, virtual network, web community, private trading network. So correct answer is option D, which is private trading network. So the last question is dash marketing is the internet version of word of mouth marketing. Viral, virtual. So correct option is viral.